Welcome to this video, welcome to my channel, welcome to me, to this Dutch English speaking guy. So today we're gonna make an ad for the KSI Prime bottle. So I've never tried Prime before. I got inspired by Prime with the vivid colors, so I wanna try to make a darker bottle into like a richer color environment. If you wanna help me and like this video and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that. Without further ado, enjoy.